Welcome to Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies. In this video, we'll introduce you to our powerful Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot, a game-changing tool for optimizing your crypto trading strategies. Learn how our bot works, its unique features, and how it can be customized to meet your specific trading needs. Let's dive in. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Visit our website and start using the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot today. If you're interested in custom bot development, reach out to us, and let's discuss how we can create a solution tailored just for you. Hello, and welcome to the Dex Volume Bots channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. In today's video, we're excited to introduce our latest innovation, the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot. If you're looking to maximize your trading volume and gain a competitive edge in the decentralized exchange market, you're in the right place. The Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot is a powerful, automated tool designed to boost your trading volume on decentralized exchanges, such as Solana DEX platforms. Our bot leverages advanced algorithms to monitor market trends, identify profitable opportunities, and execute trades with precision and speed, all without requiring constant manual input. So, what makes our Volume Booster Bot stand out? Here are the key features. Automated trading. Our bot executes trades 24/7, taking advantage of market opportunities around the clock. Advanced analytics. It utilizes cutting-edge data analytics to predict market movements, helping you make informed decisions. Customizable strategies. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, our bot can be tailored to match your unique trading style and goals. Risk management tools. Integrated features to minimize risks, ensuring a safer trading experience. Using our bot is simple and efficient. Here's how it works. Setup. Start by connecting your wallet to the Pump.fun platform and configure your bot settings. Customization. Adjust the bot's parameters according to your strategy. Set your risk level, trading pairs, and volume targets. Activation. Once everything is set, activate the bot and let it take over. It will analyze market data and execute trades based on your chosen criteria. Monitoring. Keep track of your performance in real time using the Pump.fun dashboard and make adjustments as needed. At Ranga Technologies, we have helped numerous clients achieve their trading goals with our innovative bots. Our clients who have used our Volume Booster Bot to optimize their trading. A trader increased their trading volume by 30% within the first month. Another user saw consistent gains even in volatile market conditions. And the best part? We offer custom bot development tailored to your specific requirements. Whether you need a bot for a specific platform or you have unique trading strategies, we can build a solution that fits you perfectly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dex Volume Bots channel to stay updated on all our latest innovations and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies, where innovation meets opportunity. See you in the next video.